Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I bring you very important news. There is vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 7th pay commission. If you are a teacher or looking to join a reputed school, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end for eligibility, how to apply, salary detail and tips for interview success. Requirement is for different posts like for PGT vacancy is for physics and mathematics subject. Then for TGT vacancy is for English, Hindi, mathematics, physics, biology, geography, history, computer science, physical education, music instrumental, music and dance. Then there is a vacancy for band master, and lastly vacancy for primary teacher in general, Hindi, physical education and special educator. So these are the regular vacancy. Regular vacancy means permanent vacancy. Then for administrative staff vacancy is for LDC and junior engineer. Then next there is a few temporary vacancy as well. This vacancy won't be permanent, and this vacancy are for fashion design, fashion study teacher senior wing, Spanish teacher primary wing, PRT French, Western music teacher, yoga trainer female. Then coaches for different sports like basketball, cricket, skating, shooting, pickleball, handball, self defense male and female, football, volleyball and chess. So these are the vacancy at this school. Now let's see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for Delhi Public School, Mathura Road, New Delhi. Now let's see how you can apply for this. So for applying you need to go on this website dpsmathuraroad.org/vacancy.php. Now in this, if you go at bottom, there is one link, click here to the form. So this vacancy advertisement also you will get on that website only. You just need to go scroll down and click here. Once you click on it, you will come to this page where if you have already registered, you just enter your user ID and password and you can log in. Otherwise you can do new registration. So since this is first time, so let us do new registration. For new registration, they are asking the username, mobile number, password, confirm your password. Then this is the session for which you are applying and click on submit button. So now let's fill these details. Once you click on the submit button, you are going to get this page where first they have written general instruction. So first you need to read this general instruction. After that there is application form, and from here you can log out and you can log in again whenever you want to fill. So now let us see the general instruction. So for postgraduate, for PGT, age limit is 30. Essential qualification is postgraduate course from recognized institute or university with at least 50% marks with B.Ed. For TGT, for all those subjects, age limit again 30, and essential qualification is preference postgraduate, otherwise you should be graduate with 50% and B.Ed and seated qualified paper 2. Next, for TGT computer science, qualification is different, like you should have BCA with at least 50% or graduation in computer science IT from recognized institute at least 50%, or B.Tech in computer science and IP. Then you should have bachelor degree in education which is B.Ed. Then for physical education you should have BPed with at least 50% or bachelor degree in physical education or physical education and sports. Then for musical instrument and music dance, bachelor degree in music or performing art from university with at least 50%. Then for primary teacher, again age limit is 30. Qualification required is senior secondary or higher senior secondary intermediate with at least 50%, and 2-year diploma in elementary education. Then you should have qualified CTET paper 1, then bachelor degree in education with at least 50%. For special educator, you should be class 12th pass with 50%, and any of this, either 2-year DED in any of this category of disability, and CTET paper 1 qualified, registration with RCI, Rehabilitation Council of India. For assistant librarian, again age limit is 30. Then qualification required is bachelor degree in library science or library and information science. Then for bandmaster, age limit is 32. You should be having attended the course of drum major course at AEC training college or equivalent like naval air force course, or graduate with music or higher secondary with degree or diploma in music from recognized institute. Desirable is minimum 3-year teaching experience as bandmaster, having proficiency in game and sports or other co-curricular activities. Next, for administrative staff, age limit is 30, graduate with proficiency in computer. Then for junior engineer, age limit is 35, graduate in civil engineering. Next, all teachers to be appointed to teach 1 to 8 should qualify TET, means CTET or state qualification. Now, you need to, after reading the instruction, you just check this box and click proceed to fill. Next, here you are going to get this form where you need to choose the post for which you are applying. Like here, if you drop down, here all the vacancies are mentioned. For whatever post you are applying, select that post. Now let us, for an example, I am choosing here TGT physics. Then enter your detail, personal detail, your communication detail, then your education qualification starting from 10 till your masters. Then you need to upload the education qualification in single PDF file. Then experience of teaching post, whatever experience you are having here, 5 institute options are there, you can enter. Then here total work experience, how many experience you have as PRT, as TGT, as PGT. Then how many languages you know, whether you can read, write and speak. Then extra information, especially about your salary detail, how much salary you have drawn per month, what is the present one, then the institute from where you are getting your gross salary, then your hobby or any other information you would like to share with the school. Then you just write the place and click on submit button. So friends, if you are passionate about teaching and want a stable and reputed teaching job with attractive salary, this is your golden opportunity. If you found this video helpful, do give it a hype, like, share it with other teachers, and don't forget to subscribe to MJ Manjari for latest update on teaching vacancy, CBSE news and educational opportunities.